I do? Make I marry you?
She said I should not come back without the father of my child. Marry, please.
So what do you want make I do? No, tell me. You want make I marry you? You want make I cut up for you and for the baby without no job? Eh? Oh, wait. You don't know say we still be students?
Hey.
So if they don't tell you, you don't know say you go delete this thing? Eh? You should get.
Say no get egusi pepper soup.
Here, customer.
Okay, I'll give me that one.
You don't start. Don't worry, I go do you well today. Don't worry, I go do you well. Trust me. Don't worry. Calm down.
I think inside the heat. That side and that side the one.
Hey. Oh no wahala. I go do you well. Ah, fine girl. How you dey? I dey fine. Fine girl with the swag.
What is this one now? Shoe? Is this my pikin one either? Now why I put this in water now?
No vex, no vex.
Now wow.
Abam.
Abeg, I want beans.
Faster, there you go.
Vex, no vex. You na my
Abeg,
customer.
my
dear, just relax. I go do you well. No be you. No vex, my dear. You don't happy now. Sorry. My dear, wetin you want? Please.
I want beans, 15 naira beans. Abeg, I dey age.
I
well.
I go
not like that one.
No, you na sisi ekona. You na man, you na what for you, my sisi. Customer, how you dey now?
I dey fine.
Oh yeah, now come sit down and shop better beans.
Abeg, I dey hate. I want shop.
I no say you dey hate. Now you make me go pack everything give you.
I dey.
I dey now.
I dey to the shop.
No, I dey shook. You know see what I dey do? I be day or day, my day.
Sorry, oh.
Sisi Eko.
Baby, my food.
See your food.
Thank you,
Fine.
You know where you dey my cabasa.
Abeg, I dey hate. I want shop.
Mother, come on, 500 Bona.
Eh?
No.
I don't understand. Why?
What do you mean by for waiting? What kind of question is that?
You just wake up, and demand for money you didn't work for with no iota of plea,
Meaning what? You carry any money from your papa house, come here. Eh? You don't say that you can't get everything where you get. I beg, give me. I go first and come up from
come out from my body.
I'll go take you wipe this floor.
What is even your problem? You just be in the house doing nothing. I will be the one to toil all day. I will come back to this house. You will still have the mind to extort money from me. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Get him out. He still came out to talk. You won't make I force myself into that your bag and collect that money. I go collect and I go do you something though. I go fry egg for you. Me? Maybe plenty girls food for the road. They find Baba will go marry them. I can't marry you, put for house. Can't they do shakara for me? See your head.
As we take start nothing say we go end them. push 'em go up, push 'em come down, left, right, and center. Me and you forever. Our retine, wado. Our retine, wado. Maro retine, wado. Ejiro retine, wado. Tega retine, wado. Chisim di retine,
Good. Hey.
Daddy, Miguel.
Brendo, mama.
Daddy, my teacher said I should give you this.
What's in the side?
It's to remind you of my school fees.
Which kind of school fees is that? Eh? You don't know where your mama the way we carry that paper, go give her. Eh? What can they give me? Eh? Carry this thing come off my face, I beg.
Daddy, now, please.
No, please, I don't get money to train you. I know say if I train you finish, I go still behave like your mama. Eh? Carry this thing come off from here. Go give her your mama. Carry this thing. What I see big, deep head like your mama head. Okay.
God, why do you have to punish me this way? I know I deserved to be punished, but not with this type of man as a husband. All he does is to drink from one bar to the other, taking my savings. God, please, help my poor soul. I'm too weak to carry these pains.
I'm sure I kept it here. Where is my money? Where is my money? Where is my money? Oh, hey! Things somehow you'll be fooled again. So I've worked for this man to chop again. Eh? I'm sure I kept this money. I leave this money here now. Who's all this? Eh? Is it that I'm careless or what? Where is my money? I'm sure I kept it here. Hey, seriously, where is it now? Hey! Things somehow you'll be fooled again. So I've worked for this man to chop again. Eh? Hey! Maro! Where is my money now?
Wait. What come you they shout for this house this morning? Why you they shout they disturb the compound? Why you they shout my brother name like that?
Ejiro, please. Please, I don't have your time this morning. I don't have time to pick up quarrel with you. Just go.
As what now? Troublemaker where I be now? No problem. No wahala. Me I no go talk. I go carry my own go. Shebi you and my brother go get problem. Are they here?
Just go. Go, yes, go. Gaba biko Gaba.
I mean me put you for the way you did so. Not be me put you. I not give you belly. Now you carry your kele call this your big belly. Now you carry yourself. Come here. You dey hear me so. Not try that nonsense with me again. No. Not talk to me anyhow. You dey hear me?
Nonsense. You see your brother. Well, let me tell you. You think you Ejiro, you think you can spoil my already spoiled day the more. Eh? You see your brother? Your brother is the biggest mistake I've ever made in my entire life. Yes.
Akpo, why you still there here now? What you there to do? What you there for? You not get papa? This your 2K leg. Carry him like that with your Ghana must go back to your papa house. What you they wait for? Now person they tell you here. They tell you here. They look me.
You think I'm like you? No, you think I'm like you.
Jealousy.
I am not like you, Ejiro.
Jealousy.
At least I'm in my husband's house.
Wait. My sister. Now joke you the joke. I am in my father's house. Our papa house now day. I get my room. I not just get room. See, I dey collect rent for all these places. Your father no go even let you come close to him veranda at all. How much more say you can't get room? I jealousy they do you. What you do?
I get my husband's house. I'm in my husband's house.
You cannot go to my house. I will soon marry. I will soon marry. Now, person who want marry me, I dey follow the talk. When they disturb me, they shout anyhow. Already yet. My sweat, man.
Go, sister.
Small winch. This one where you come back, what's happen?
Sister, I was sent out of school because I've not paid my school fees.
I make you dey near me because you want beg me something now. Shift! As me you shift! Sent out of school. Why that one can't take concern me? You no get papa? Anyway, you no get papa before safe. That one have to just today follow me drag rent. I don't want your papa no. Your papa na dog. Go meet your mama, your mama go help you.
Auntie, where's my daddy?
Who be this speaking now? Why you dey ask me? You didn't hear what I talk with your rabbit ear. I say go and meet your mother. I don't have any business with you. Go meet them.
Auntie, I'm very hungry.
This girl, you get problem. Maybe they send you come this afternoon. Only you dey hungry. Only you want pay school fees. Which one you want? Choose one. Which one you want? They look me. Which one you want? You not go me anyway. You not even get papa say because that one to me that one are dead. That they follow me drag rent. Now your papa do. Go meet your mama for stop. Go meet her. She will give you food. She be she dey sell food. They go. They go. Sit down and they look me. So her hair one not understand. Nonsense. As can me born you soon.
Why are you crying?
I was sent out of school because I've not paid my school fees.
Oh my dear. And have you told your mom and your dad?
I've told them about it, but...
Sorry. And where are you coming from?
From our house.
Is there no one at home?
Auntie Ejiro is at home.
Sorry. Of all people, Ejiro. What do you mean by that? See, Joy, Ejiro is my friend. And I know that she must have said something awful that makes this girl to shed these tears. You know what? Go and meet your mom in the shop, eh? Stop crying, yeah? Sorry, yeah? See, Joy, I'll see you later. I want to go and see Ejiro. You want to go and see Ejiro for what? I need to go and warn Ejiro. You see this small? If they pay me to see her today cry like this. Why they carry person matter for your mouth? Yeah, what that one take concern? See, this matter where you see so now. This matter dey serious. It's very serious. Me, I no go follow you. Oh yeah, no follow me. That one I own business.
Hey. I saw it coming. I knew it. I knew they are going to send you out of school again. Oh, please, my daughter. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Just stop crying.
Mom.
It is well, okay?
Mom, when is Dad going to start giving me something that I want?
You see, your daddy has problems that he's solving. And when he's done solving those problems, he will start giving you everything that you want. He will even take care of you better. You hear?
Okay, Mom.
But listen to me, Don't tell anybody that your daddy is not giving you anything, no. Do you hear? Okay, hey, good girl. Now clean your tears. That's my girl. Nini. Don't worry, let me get you something to eat. Oh, today, you see today, I'll give you 2 minutes. Smile. Smile.
Why you waste my time now? Yeah? I don't stand here for like 5 minutes now, they wait for you. See, they look me. Enter they go collect my rent now.
Sure, bros, which rent again now? I don't already pay gift sister. Sis not tell you. I don't pay gift sister.
You ask me which rent?
Sis not tell you.
Tell me what thing?
I don't pay.
Now you carry put you for this house. Yeah? Okay, make I ask you. Now governor waited this state 4 years back. Now they still there. Eh? So now I want to now say government don't share. I beg enter the house, go collect my rent. I beg, I know you waste my time now.
No, that's
I beg enter house, go collect my rent, give me. JJ make I carry and they go. You dey hear me so? I dey talk to you now.
Sis, bro say I no agree as my pay and rent. So I tell us I don't already pay give you.
So may you pay and rent?
Sir,
I will change that for you.
Until wait, I don't understand. You don't know where your power starts and you don't know where your power ends.
Did they walk you?
You dey ask me whether they walk me.
Yeah? Or you don't go take small monkey tail?
I mean, you take monkey tail.
Oh boy, settle me, make I dey for more.
Settle waiting. Settle waiting.
Settle. I go change that for you.
Change them now. Which kind of nonsense be that one now? You dey go ask my tenant for rent. Until waiting.
Wait, you don't decrease? Eh? You don't decrease? Or did they walk you? You don't forget say, na me carry you come this house. Eh? No, you don't forget say na woman you be.
So as I be woman now, how that one take affect the price of garri for market? You see this house my papa give me? Nobody. 1,000 of you, you know rich, no fit change am.
Which papa you dey talk? Which papa? Or you don't know say na carry your mama carry you come this house? You don't know? Or you don't know say no be the same papa wey born me and take and na him born you.
So how that one take consign me? It's not this one way they talk now. I say you no fit tamper on my rent. You know if you try, they never born you. You no go try am. I mean, I say you no fit.
They clear you so you better maintain before you lose everything.
You go first clear yourself first before you think say you won't clear me.
I don't clear you be that I don't clear you be that So you better go bring my rent. Give me so before I change them for you. You don't understand me?
Our retina, wado. Our retina, wado. Maru retina, wado. Ejiro retina,
Now your papa. Now he useless well. Now your papa.
My papa useless, no problem. For your information, your daughter has been sent out of school because of school fees.
Weke, I don't want to take the information. How?
Are you serious? No, are you serious?
No, now you for break news now. You for make a breaking news. Saying Obama picking the drive come up from school. Now you person no go hear what for you. Eh?
No problem. It's not your business, no problem. But please, if you know that money you took from my bank, just bring it. Let me use it and pay my daughter's school fees.
Pay with school fees?
My daughter's school fees.
Yeah? Or you think say your daughter no go end up like you? Yeah?
Me? I dropped out of school. Is it not your fault? Is it not your fault that I was sent out of school? That I dropped out of school? Is it not your fault, Mary? You're not ashamed of yourself. Oh, Jesus. I hate the day I met you. How did I end up like this? How did I end up here? I hate the day I met you, Mary.
What did you just talk now?
Now, wait till you hear.
Eh? Wait, you open your mouth, talk say you hate me. Now you know go come carry your bag, go your papa house. Or no be you come carry this bere. Come out the picking for this world, come terminate all my dreams. No be you.
Maro, you're a fool. Maro, you're useless. In fact, you're hopeless. You're a fool, Maro. Nonsense.
You opened your mouth and call me a fool, Maro. Me, okay, then. What then? Where? Oh, where?
As we take start nothing say we go end them. Anyhow we be, me and you, we go dey push 'em go up, push 'em come down, left, right and center. Me and you forever.
Thank you.
Somebody, I know that as a result of your background, you wouldn't want to risk your marriage for anything. If not, I would have said you go back to your parents and move on with your life. Or better still, find someone to get married to. You know say now, I follow Unborn, them they call am for here. It is not a crime.
My sister, like you rightly said, it is because of the family I came from. My father was a knight, and my mother was once a president of CWO. What they stand though in the church is not what I can rub in the mud. And me, I belong to a society called Maid League in the church. I can't face the shame at all. I can't. So it's better for me to stay here, because if I should go back, they will see me as an irresponsible child. So let me just stay here and carry my cross.
See, I'm a friend to your sister-in-law. I know they don't like you. So go back to your parents' house and your peace will be there with you. And move on with your life. In fact, find a man and get married to. Yes.
I should do what?
Move on with another man.
Hey, no now. I can't. Me? No, I can't do that.
Now so some women they take diapers. Trust we for here now. We know the door for here. I left my husband's place when he started thinking that he has the whole right to manipulate me. Even your sister-in-law, Ejiro, she did the same too. And now she's parading around like a landlady.
Yeah, I can't. I can't do this thing. I can't do it.
You can't do it?
Mba. Ruki, I can't. I can't do it.
Anyways, if you say so, I can't force you. Since you've made up your mind to die in that marriage. Now your die no be my die. Now your die be that.
Okay, my God. You see this God in heaven? My God will not allow me to die. I will live. I will live, my friend.
I pray so. Lest I forget. Come back next week Tuesday so I can give you some money to pay for Onome's school fees.
Ruki, I should do what?
Come on, take money for Onome's school fees.
Hey! Ruki, my God will bless you.
Amen, my
Ruki,
sister.
you're more than a friend. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm grateful, Ruki. God will bless you.
Bless you too.
I will come.
You know, say Onome and my daughter too.
Child.
They pay me whenever I see that girl. They cry. They pay me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My God will bless you. You will not laugh.
Amen.
Thank you. Oh?
I love you.
I love you too. I have to go now.
Okay.
Thank you, my dear. Thanks for the work.
Just manage it though. That's what I have.
It's more than enough. Thank you. No. Maro.
Oh, what's that now?
Maro, please, we need to talk.
That your talk no feel with the money. Yeah.
Just listen to me.
I dey hear you. You talk, I dey hear you.
Maro, please, I beg you. You need to get a job so you can assist this family. Please.
You know, Sisi no get respect. Yeah? You don't just get respect at all. So this will make you wake me up. You know, so I suppose rest this night. Yeah?
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. But we are not quarreling. Please, I just need you to find something to do. Find a job, no matter how little, so you can assist me. I'm really suffering.
See, your mother don't even die myself. Maybe you carry that your Igbo bad luck. Come meet me for house here. And look on the progress again. Yeah? See, make I tell you, if you no want to die now, you know, just wake me up again. You hear me so? If you no want to die, don't just touch me, wake me up again. Idiot. You better sleep or I sleep, just wake me up.
Abi, you don't call.
Who took all the meat from my pot?
That rubbish question be down. Wait, why on a normal day you even answer this kind of nonsense question first? Why? As you looking like this, I be like, they sabi chop meat.
Oh, you mean to tell me there are spirits in this house, Abi? Eh?
Wait. If truth say you no lie, say your meat they really lost. Now take her to that one.
Which Tega? Is Tega in this house?
Tega!
Tega rating.
Tega!
Who be that one? What's happen?
Don't ask me question, ask me.
What's happen?
Tega. Now who vanished the meat come out from my pot?
Ha! See problem. Why they pay you? How many meat dey the pot of soup?
Abi your eye dey pain you. No be only 5 minutes I see for there.
Abi as food no reach person to belle food, no be to use meat to follow up.
Chimo. 5! Tega! He said 5! By the way, who gave you the temerity to go to my pot? Who gave you that permission?
Which pot? Your head correct at all?
Yes.
Which will hide to be your pot of soup? My own brother wife pot of soup, that they call your pot of soup.
You know what? I don't have your time. I will wait till your brother comes back. I'll report you to him.
Thank God say you call him my bro, my brother, my blood. So you don't get what you want to do me. You don't go kill me. And my brother in B.
See if they catch. You see the wrong mouth. My sister help me pour the soup for my head, more than fight.
Now you know that one when they talk. See like this. Belle never tight. I stay ish like this. Something they report. Afa.
Tega.
Why can't they look me like that now? See, that one na night food. They don't break and as they don't break so belle don't open at the age. Don't even shop everything. When you call it shots, take. Not even take a look see for this house. Ordinary meat, 5 meat, down on the shot. No person they use 1 car cook food for this house.
Tega rating.
Like me.
Wato. Wado. She seemed retina. Eh, Wado. Wado. On a meritine.
Tega.
Wado. Wado.
Tega.
Brother.
Yaretine.
Brother Mingo.
Brendo. My wife talks say you get one matter when they settle. And now still they settle the matter. Say enter her pot, go carry food without telling her. I take her.
Ha. The matter don't reach here. Okay, brother, see how you take her puno. Brother, you don't say me I know they like trouble. I be the only person who know they like wahala for this house. As I come back yesterday night, everybody don't crash. Everybody don't sleep. Based on say take and no like trouble. I know they like wahala for this house. And you know say I dey hungry. Hunger hold me well so take the thing come be like say they turn my eye. And you know say on a normal I suppose balance they go serve me. I say okay, I no wan worry anybody. I kukuma use my hand, enter pot, carry food, chop, sleep. Although say belle no title, I no even belle full, but I no reason am. I no reason am, brother. That's all the thing dey happen.
Babe, you don't hear them now. You say in the hungry. Say no one disturb anybody. So you go carry himself, go carry the food chop. You don't hear as the matter take be now.
Are you being serious right now? Like, you're serious?
Wait, I don't understand. Which one you say are you being serious right now? You just say what he said. You say, in the hungry, come back. You no one disturb you. You know better that he didn't disturb you. You know that you were sleeping and somebody didn't come to disturb you. You know the better like that. Eh? So you come and go food pot, go carry food chop. Eh? If for good say him come wake you up, you can give him food. If you're not good now, why can't they complain?
Wait, I want to understand this. So your brother has the right to go to my pot of soup and dish out food without my permission?
Which one be your pot again? Okay, nah. What a person go do for you for this life? Who go better for your body? Every single thing you go complain. Every single thing you go complain. Every single thing you go complain. What didn't they worry you? Eh? If you better say him disturb you, don't die for your matter.
It's so unbelievable. See, let me tell you people, I've made my point, oh. I've made my point. No one should go to my pot without my permission. I've made my point, oh.
Tega. Nyavre.
I
don't know say that this issue make you come stop me here and they talk this kind of thing.
This matter will settle ever since morning though.
God will judge you. God will judge you. All of you, God will judge you.
Now your papa and your mama and your whole generation will God will judge.
God will not judge them. It's you people that God will judge. In this house, God will judge all of you.
Wait. What you talk now? No, talk again. Talk again now. Every time you go run your mouth like that. Talk again, make I hear. Get there. You're afraid?
God will judge you.
Idiot. Those are this kind of nonsense matter I come from. Judge. Don't worry. Just in case I enter court to judge. Maybe stop me for that thing. I will just slap you.
Before my sister, my husband has finished me. What happened again? He tried to beat me because I asked his brother to stay off my kitchen and my pot.
Wait, you mean your husband's brother went into your kitchen to take food from your pot?
Exactly, one day more. He went to my kitchen without my permission to take food from my pot. Not only that, he finished all the meats inside my pot. And he's supporting him.
What kind of a person is that, your husband?
I don't know, Ifoma. I don't know. Mario used to be a nice man. Mario used to be a gentle guy when I met him. Ifoma, I was just in first year in the university when I met Mario. before. I did not bargain for this, so I did not bargain.
Excuse me. Sorry, are you the one looking for an accommodation?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I can help you find one.
Don't worry. They have given me a number to call already.
They have given you a number to call?
Yes.
And you're sure that number is real?
Of course. It is.
Wait. Why don't you call the number to see if it is real? Just go ahead and dial the number. These people, they can cheat people and eat people's money and do anyhow in this school. I don't know. Just call the number. Somebody just called my number.
You should have told me this is your number.
And that was why I rushed up to you when you were doing shakara, But anyway, thank you for giving me your number. I'll get back to you once the whole thing is ready.
Please do. I just need a room. I'm comfortable, please.
You see, you don't have to be faster than your shadow, okay? I have one that I'm going to inquire. I'll ask the occupant of the house to see if there is still vacancy there. Then I'll get back to you.
No problem. Thank you.
Take care. Huh?
I want to know, is this what you do or you're a student?
Oh. Anyway, my name is Maro. I'm a student of this school. I'm studying psychology.
Okay.
So why don't you tell me about yourself?
My name is Chimbusoma.
Chibu, what?
I said Chimbusoma.
Chimbus. It's okay, it's okay.
Yes.
Wow, what a nice name.
A theater student, 100 level.
Okay. Anyway, nice to meet you.
Same here.
I'll get back to you, okay? You take care.
Alright.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
He took me to his sister's lodge, though not his blood sister. Her name is Sharon.
Hello, babe. You know the house? I may do come now.
Hey, my G!
Don't keep me outside like this.
Mary, no best. I will do one of
these.
How fast they fresh, they chop
I'm fresh past you.
Clean guy!
Babe, this is my friend. What they tell you say they look for roommates.
They get set.
I'm my cousin Biris, eh?
Good afternoon.
I hope say you like the babe.
Oh, the babe
I don't say you go enjoy the babe now.
She's set, guy.
Sorry, sweetheart, when we want to move in?
I think weekend will be better.
Weekend?
Yes.
You can still move in tomorrow. I and Mary will help you pack in your things.
No. I wouldn't want to impose.
Who? Who tell you say you want impose? No, we'll help you now.
Sure.
We'll help you.
Anyway, I bet when I leave down, when I come inside, I get something I want to make on enjoy with him.
Now you can't stand me here.
Now you know what? Come, my baby, come here.
Do something.
She led me in. Sharon was a nice person. She was not in the same level with me. She was in 200 level business administration. That was how I became roommates with Sharon.
I thought you guys are related or something.
No, not really.
I don't get this. Well, he used to call you his sister, be the cousin. I don't understand.
Do you ever have that friend you call cousin in front of every other person? More like a family.
Okay.
Well, Mario is that friend. And guess what? My cousin has a crush on you.
What?
Don't act like you don't know or you've not noticed. What's your own?
Please let me tell you. I'm just in year 1, 100 level. And he's in his final year. Seriously, I don't want any relationship for now. I am not ready for one.
But he's not talking about a relationship yet. Yeah, he just wants us to hang out.
Us?
Yeah, just have a drink, you and I. There's no big deal there. Come on now. And guess what? I'm going to be there to save you from all the awkwardness and all.
Okay. But on one condition.
Name your price, baby. Let it out.
You're going to do my makeup.
Is that all? Now tell me, what do you want? You want a total revamp? Layered lippy? How do you want it?
Excuse you.
Say it out.
On whose face?
Name it.
So I'll look like...
Let it out.
I don't understand. Please, please. I just need something very subtle.
Oh.
Very light, like nude.
But say no more.
Very beautiful.
Say no more. Subtle it is. I got your back, baby.
You have it you then.
I got your back, baby.
You have it you.
Oh my God. Don't worry. I'll do exactly what you want,
Bad
okay?
girl.
Mary, I dey come. Babe, I gotta make this very confidential call. They come here.
Confidential.
Very confidential and crucial.
He kept staring at me, but I was so shy to look back.
Why are you looking at me that way?
Baby, see, I can't just stop staring at you. Yeah, that's the truth. Summa, yes. I'm about to tell you something now, and what I'm about to tell you might sound somehow, but very sexy. Yes. Summa, please. I'm in love with you. I want you to be my girlfriend. I'm in love with you. Please, do not say no.
Maru, well, just as you said, it's sudden and we barely know each other. Just take it easy, okay?
Please, do not say no.
I wanted the delay tactics in saying yes. But the desperation was higher than I expected.
Please.
Mara, just let me think about it. I have to think about it, please.
It's okay. Just take your time and think about it, okay? But please, do not waste time, okay?
Even if I have to waste time, then you have to wait.
Anyway, I wish your answer will be positive.
Just wait. Why did he lie to me? Why did he lie to me that he was in final year? And you, why did you lie?
Babe, come on now, it's not that bad.
Are you serious? Like, are you being serious right now? A full-grown man has spent 8 good years in the university studying 4-year course. And the school authority asked him to kindly withdraw because of powers of carryover. And you're saying it's not that bad. Are you kidding me?
Babe, chill. You don't know how this thing works. You're still in your first year. By the time you go further, you understand how bad the system is and the struggle associated with it.
Oh, he lied.
He didn't. Girl, no one would tell a girl he just met about his bad academics. No one will. Even you won't even try it.
I won't want my boyfriend to be a school dropout. I won't. I don't want that for myself.
What did you just say? I heard boyfriend. Wait, chill, girl. I smell love. Oh, chill. I smell love.
I didn't mean it that way.
No, you do love him, don't you? Don't lie.
Forget.
Don't lie.
You're twisting my words.
I'm not twisting anything. Girl, see, leave this shakara. Call him. I know you love him. Just call him and have this conversation with him like a grown adult. Call him. Leave all these ones you're doing. I know you love him. See now, see. Okay. Girl, you're in love. Chill. Call him, please. It's okay. Don't let it stress you that much, okay? You don't do your own too much, self. Chill, Joe. Pick up your phone and call him, you know.
Thank you.
Bros, me go.
Vrendo,
How far now? What do you bring for us?
I've told you to stop adding plural. Life not ahead. Anyway, I came bearing gift for my lady.
Make I quickly delete myself from the equation.
With immediate effect. Yeah? My lady, this is your gift.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
You can keep it and open it later when you return.
Okay.
Last. Person go fall in love. Make person go carry last.
Hey, make you day your day, oh. Make you just day your day, oh.
Sharon. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, sir. I don't want you to open this. Don't. Till I come back. Alright, now. See ya.
You said that tomorrow you won't come back?
Tomorrow now.
Make you day your day. You?
Aproko. You know the day or
Come on, don't be small love. I press and open this thing. I dive it. Make I yes and open. I'll try it.
I fell pregnant. Then I saw the true color of the man I fell in love with. He changed from a sweet, romantic guy to a violent, angry one.
Chimbo-sama. Yeah? Come now. Hey! Hey! Do you know you are pregnant? No. Not me. It's not going to happen. You can't bring disgrace, shame and disgrace to my own house. Ademe.
Mama, please, I beg you. Mama, because Mama, please forgive me. Forgive me, Mama. Where will I go? Where do you want me to go? Please, I beg you, Mama. Just forgive me.
My own child. Pregnant out of wedlock.
Hey.
Mban. Ademe. Me. A certified Christian mother.
Hey.
A grandmother of the church.
Mama, because you are not because it was a mistake. Seriously, Mama.
CW will impeach me. Oh, they will ban me. They will ban me. They will impeach me as their chairperson.
Mama, please, oh, please, Mama, it was a mistake. Just one mistake.
It won't be a mistake when Reverend Father will ban me from receiving Holy Communion. It could have no mistake!
Thank you, Mama, because just forgive me.
Mama,
forgive me. Mama, because I love your only child, though. Mama, please forgive me, I beg you.
But I should forgive you.
Yes, Mama, because
a two-time CWO president's daughter, pregnant at
hey,
Look at
I'm sorry.
Let me tell you what you are going to do. You have to take this thing to whoever that is responsible.
Hey.
Imalebi Salaro. Imalebi Salaro gachila kwage.
Mama, bigo, Mama, please don't.
From today, you have ceased to be my daughter.
Inamia! Mama, don't do that to me, Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please, Mama, come back. We go to just come back. Mama, please come back. Mama, please come back. I beg you, come back. Mama, please.
What I'm saying is that my mother has disowned me. She threw me out of the house. She said I should go and look for the father of my child.
True? So, wait, make I ask you. What do you make I do? Make I marry you?
She said I should not come back without the father of my child. Maru, please.
So what do you want make I do? No, tell me. You want make I marry you? You want make I cater for you and for the baby? Without no job? Eh? Oh, wait. You don't know say we still be students?
Hey.
So if they don't tell you, you don't know say you go delete this thing? Eh? You be sure, girl. Sure? Wake.
Maru, you've ruined my life. Just look at what you've done to me. Maru, please, I beg you. Don't do this to me, I beg you, Maru, don't.
Ha! Oh, Ogenesio me. Me, do wetin? Me Maru Dane Esiri. Eh? So, make I ask you something. So when they do am? So you tell me say no sweet you. So no leave me where it's sweet. Eh? That's why you take your finger and they tear my back. Now I take my front, they cry. Eh? What do you make I do? Did it walk you? Eh? Ah.
Maru, please, I beg you.
What did they beg me for? Sure! Wait, okay?
Don't do this.
See me. Day your day. Make I day my day.
Don't do this.
Just stay your stay. No, make you not try me, oh. Make you not try me.
Please, I beg you, Maru.
Ha.
Please, I beg
Okay,
you.
nah.
My mother will kill me. Seriously, my mother will kill me, Maru.
Wait, make I ask you.
Please don't, Maru.
When did they shout, Mario, harder, Mario, you know they sweet you.
I beg.
Babe, I'm sorry you had to go through this mess. I didn't know things were going to turn out this bad.
I thought he was a nice person.
I thought he was a gentleman. Now look at my life. I never knew my life would be like this. What do I do? What?
Don't worry. I have an idea. I'll take you to his family.
My life is ruined. My academics. Where do I go from here? Who do I run to? Where will I take this bastard child to?
Please don't say that. Your child is not a bastard. Your child can never be a bastard. Your child has you. Your child will also have his father. Like I said, I'll take you to his family. I'm sure they can handle this from here, please. Don't cry, please. Please don't cry. Don't cry, please. It's okay. It's okay.
That was how I had my baby and started living with his family. 1 year later, my father died and it went from bad to worse.
What about Shalom?
I lost contact with Sharon almost 3 years ago.
It's okay. Stop crying. I actually had a similar experience. Yes, at the early stage of my marriage. It seems it's a common practice with the men from here. Things don't happen from where we come from. Well, nonetheless, you have to adapt to the situation. I'll give you money to start a business. Okay?
You what?
Yes.
Auntie, you give me money?
Yes.
Auntie, God bless you. Auntie, you will not laugh.
Amen.
You.
It's okay.
Yes, bless you.
It's okay. Sit down.
Auntie, allow me to greet you very well. God bless you. You don't know what you've done for me.
It's okay. It is okay. It is okay. You're my sister. If I don't help you, who else will I help? It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Stop crying.
Okay.
Let's go.
It's time. I need to go pick Sharon up from school.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Let me go. Take care.
Your hair is even due.
Welcome, Daddy.
Onome, my daughter.
Good afternoon,
Soma. She's greeting you. Where did they look? I know say for your mind now you could ask, what is she doing here? I brought her home so I can introduce her to you. She's your mate. She's my mistress. Even if I'm going to marry her, I've not concluded yet. I want you to know her. I want you to know her, yes. So whenever I come back home with 2 fowl and decide to go out with 1, you know that she's the one I'm taking it to. So I want you to know her.
Maria, don't get it. You're bringing a woman in our matrimonial home. In my own presence.
You see, our. What do you mean by our? Eh? Our matrimonial home. For your information, this is my house. And I do whatever I like.
Maru, in spite of all I've been taken from you, you still have the mind to bring in a woman in our home. Maru, why?
Hey. No go open that your big ear eye, follow me. May your body no go be like fish with a take red or you fry. They hear me so? This is our land. Just like every other place. We are entitled to marry more than one wife. Eh? You just have to consider yourself lucky. Because every other man will just bring a woman and you just look like a fool. They won't even introduce him. Yeah, they talk about this. Saro. Her name is Saru. Saru. She's my... Saru, this is my wife. Yes, she's the first. I mean, she's your senior here. The only thing where she take past you now, this speaking where she gets. So I want you to give her due respect. So there will be peace.
Okay, me I no get problem. But if you look for my trouble.
Saru, nobody is going to look for your trouble. And I don't want you to look for anybody's trouble. Yeah? Like I told you before, the only thing where she take past you now is my picking where she gets. But I want two of you to I want make you do well. Because if I don't do well, I go carry another person come join you. It will be 3. I go begin the test. The test. Okay, they find better one. So make you try do good though. Everybody will do better. Anybody will try behave well. Now that person I go take do marriage. And this new car what they plan to buy, that person I go to carry in front of car. The person will carry like put on top of dashboard for me. You know, we go to cruise. You understand? So make sure they do well. I share they hear me so. I hope say food there for house. Yeah? Come, my dear. Let's go in and eat. Yeah? Weke! Ogeneme! Aboro coffee. Boko. Hey!
Did they walk you? You dey crazy? Or gonna kill you? You dey mad? You want make I like your eye now? I see the talk say you no greet me now you come mash me join. Come on for road before blood goes to your mouth. Let me say I don't know.
What is it? Why are you crying? What is it?
Na me lock am. Na me conquer. And nothing go happen. Let me tell anybody for this house.
You did what? You gave my daughter a knock? Why now?
Your child will no get respect. Your child will no get respect. She run past me, she no greet me. On top of that, she come mash me join.
Why will you do that? Why?
Wait, come be that one now. See, you dey try me, oh. You dey try me for this house, oh. You don't dey too assume.
No, wait, I want to understand.
You dey try me, oh.
Wait.
Bros, now your wife, oh. Your wife don't dey too assume for this house, oh. She don't dey assume, oh.
See me, oh. See me. Can you imagine? Your brother gave my daughter a knock simply because she didn't greet him. Can you imagine that? Eh? Why?
Just that?
Finish.
Not because I know some betrayal picking now. Make another person help you train them. Maybe because you know Sabi.
Simple.
Are you serious? No, you're being serious right now. Did they train you people well and you're like this? No, did they train you people well and you're like this? Look at your life. Look at you. Did they train you people well? See, I look at that your belly for my child. Not even think, I'm not even trying.
Hey, see who they talk.
Don't even try me in this house.
A waste trainer. Now you they train well now. No, now you they train well. They train you well. Now you carry belly. You don't they shame. You carry belly. Come my house. You never pay your bride price.
Because I
come.
At least I did my house.
Come on here.
Don't even try to touch my child again. Don't try it.
Try me again.
I tell you. But let people see.
Try me again. Waste trainer. They train you like carry belly. Come sit down for my house. You never pay your bride price.
What is it?
Mario, see, let me tell you. I will take anything from you. I have no problem with you having plenty concubine as you claim that your audition permits. But what I will not accept from you is for you to take my money to squander with another woman. I will not accept that though.
Wait. So like play, joke. Eh? You don't take like that. Like joke, just like that. You don't take tag me. Criminal for my own house.
No, can you hear yourself? Your own house. Which house are you talking about? The one that you take care of your wife and kid. No, tell me, Maro. Which house are you talking about? Tell me, which house are you talking about? Nyemego, I need my money.
That's why they hold my clothes.
Yes, I need my money.
Which money are you talking about, sir? Eh? No. Which money will they talk about? Make I know. Because as far as I'm concerned, and as long as you're under my roof, anything where you get, both your money or your clothes, na me get them.
Hey.
Eh? So I don't know what you talk.
Mary, I need my money. I need my money.
Come on, leave my clothes because I keep quiet for you. We'll get there now.
Now give me my money.
Okay, sir.
Take me to the pharmacy. I'll tell our relative to meet me in the office, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Alright, sir.
Shameless man. Shameless. Okogan. Mike Tyson. Well done, eh?
What's in?
Your wife, when you beat the hospital, you don't almost die. You better go and claim your wife. Do they hear me so?
This one way can't they love my wife like this? What's happen? Nobody talk say make I kill him.
Me. Say make you kill him. I say beat him. I not say kill. Beat. When you beat and finish, carry your bag, go back to our papa house. Not what I tell you. And kill, now the same thing.
Then they be the same thing now.
Not be the same thing. Not be the same thing. Anyway, me I no get time for you. As I dey like this now, I no get time. She dey hospital. Doctor say me you bring 15,000 naira first before they go start treatment.
Yeah?
What? Close your mouth before fly go enter. My bros, doctor say make you bring 15,000 naira come before they go start treatment. Yes, na wetin talk. Then 25,000 naira after they don treat am finish. How much be that? Wetin be the total?
Na 50k now.
Na 1,000 naira. How be only 50? 40,000 naira. I no get that kind of money. Better go carry your wife more for that place. Go carry am before she go die you.
I no get money, abeg. Just leave me alone.
You no get money, but you sabi beat woman. You no get money, but you sabi beat woman. Anytime you get money, go carry am from them, you go to party.
Wait. What we go do now?
We, as in me and you, go do. Now me and you beat am. How be me and you beat am? Anytime when you get money, go carry her from hospital. You dey hear me so? Meanwhile, all these my rich men they never come, so you never get any money yet.
Big men never enter town. You no get money. You know the shame. Your mouth know the shame you. Yeah? Just open your mouth. They talk rubbish. You know the shame for yourself.
You
don't go find better work do.
Which work?
Yeah? Come on, 50,000. You know if you breathe.
Why you not be doctor? Say then the shame. You got money now, you sit down there. You want to buy drink. Go sell your shoe, then you go drink your wife.
You know the shame. Big rich men know their town. Woo! Nonsense. Big man never enter town. Me go dey talk self. Money no even dey my pocket self. Wetin I go do now? Which kind of thing be this now? Sis.
Nurse.
Yes, sir.
No one has come for this lady.
No, sir.
I don't understand. We don't run a charity organization in this place. Out of my own good will, I stabilize her. Up till now, no one has come for her. Please, call whoever brought her here, be it a relative or a friend. We have done our work, okay?
Okay, sir.
Make sure you do as I say. Son? What are you up to?
Uncle, I was waiting for lunch break. And I was wondering if you'd love me to get you anything.
No, I've already eaten, okay?
It's okay, I understand you are busy.
Nurse.
Summer.
Do you know her?
Uncle, can I have a word with you outside?
Okay. Nurse.
Yes, sir.
Do as I say.
Okay, sir.
Call whoever brought her here.
Okay, sir.
I will not repeat myself again.
Okay, sir.
Uncle, please.
Okay. I know this is Dad's hospital, but this is not how things are done.
I understand, Uncle. But this lady in question, I know her. She's like family to my fiancé.
But you can't keep doing this for everybody you know.
I understand, Uncle. Please just give her all the necessary medication. Please put the bills on the hospital. Or rather, Dad's foundation will take care of it.
You are truly your father's son, and he will be proud of you.
Migwa, Uncle.
Already, thank you very much. Take care while I run to town, okay? Alright. Take care.
They worry this one. Did they walk you? Hey, wait happen. Why they cry?
My mommy, I want my mommy.
Hey, I want your mommy. Who is your mommy? Yeah? I beg, come up for road before they go say I knock you again.
Why you do like this? Why you do this? Why you do like say you no get sense? Why you do like this? Eh? I dey hear your voice from inside house. And you dey shout like somebody your mate dey follow you. Why you do like this? Small pikin dey cry say mama no way. Mama wan die. You dey cry, they shout for him. You're not good now. Sure. Use your sense sometimes.
See wahala o. Na me beat am. I beg. Dey your lane o, make I dey my lane. Dey your day o. Which kind? I beg, I come for road make I pass.
You no fit push me.
I no fit push you.
Sorry.
You wan try me?
Let me go and buy you biscuit, yeah? Don't worry, nothing will happen to your mommy. Your mommy will not die, yeah?
Hey, make person no die for here o. I no dey o. Make person no die here o. Yeah. See, you, Ejiro, I know. You see, you don't get pride for this asshole. You don't do anyhow. You don't buga. Your pride don't too much. Don't worry.
why I will take position you. That should be.
Hi, baby.
Hello, babe. How are you doing?
I'm good. How about you? Guess who I saw today?
Who?
That your roommate.
The Igbo girl.
Summa. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I think it's she. She's here at the hospital and she's badly injured.
Are you serious? I lost her contact before I traveled for the States. Babe, please.
Do everything in your power to make sure she gets well, okay?
I've got this, babe.
What happened to her?
Well,
I have no clue, but
my dad's friend is on the case.
remember Uncle Mo?
I pray nothing happens to her.
Baby, she will be fine. I got to go for lunch now, and guess what I'm eating? Owo soup.
Oh my god. I miss Nigerian food so much.
You know what, baby? Once you land, I'll take you to the best eatery in town and I'll fix it.
Alright, baby. Take care of you. I love you.
I love you more.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Daddy, please take me to my mommy. I want to see my mommy.
Babe, come off my face. I don't know where your mama is. I don't know.
Daddy, please, I beg you.
I said I don't know where your mama is now. Okay, the hospital. I will carry you go there later.
Auntie, please take me to my mommy. I want to see my mommy. I want to see my mommy. Please take me to her.
No be your papa sit down for there, so you no fit tell am make carry you go.
You don't know where she is. You don't fit carry and go. Eh? Eh? Carry and go now. If you reach there, check whether my wife see their life.
I don't want to go there now, eh? I'll carry you go later. Come, we'll go buy biscuits.
How are you doing, dear?
Doctor, I'm getting better.
I can see it.
Please, doctor. I would love to see my daughter.
Young lady, I don't know much about you. I don't know where to find your daughter. Anyways, here's a young man that paid all your bills and he wants to discuss with you.
Ibori.
I'll leave you both now. So, how did you know that name?
Who doesn't know Ibori back then in school? Mr. Money in the bank.
Well, by the mentioning of that nickname, that means you know me very well in school back then.
Of course I know you. We used to live in the same lodge, though our paths never crossed because you are in different departments and so am I.
Anyways, that's by the way. But what happened? Your stay in the university was very short. And what happened to you? Why are you here in this condition? Summer, are you okay?
It's a long story. I don't really want to talk about it.
It's okay. I understand. There's always another day. Okay? I will be in my office.
You okay?
Yeah. Here's my complimentary card. Just call me anytime you need anything.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention. Later. I'm so tired, babe. I had a stressful day.
You need to rest.
How about Summer? I hope you haven't told her about me yet.
But seriously, I really don't know why you bent on keeping that a secret.
It's fun, come on.
I just want to see the surprise on her face when she sees me.
It's okay, my love. Yeah?
It's nothing to worry about.
But that Maro guy is an old description of an asshole. Still wondering why she had to stay in such a union at the first place.
He wasn't this bad growing up. I don't know what came over him. People change apparently, you know.
I wouldn't know, baby. Change is a constant and people change.
Thank you so much, babe, for doing this. I really do appreciate it.
Hey, stop. You know I love you more. Don't go there. I can't wait for you to be back, okay? Alright, baby. Mwah. Really, I can't wait for her to be back. Wow. This your story is a touching one. But this is 21st century. An act like this is barbaric to human nature.
I agree with you. But does the 21st century change what your Yoruba people believe in?
No. Summer, I need to correct this impression. Listen. Abuse of any sort cannot be a culture or a tradition of any tribe. I, for one, do not believe in those bullshit. And I know that there are 1,001 Urban men out there that are direct opposite of what your husband is.
Frank, please, can you help me with something?
What could that be?
Can you help me bring my daughter here?
Summer, what do you think your husband would think of me?
Don't worry, he will think nothing. Just go there, tell them what I said. If they doubt you, one of them should come with you.
But you will be discharged tomorrow. I would advise you just let things be.
No. I can't spend one more night without my daughter. I can't. Moreover, I don't think I'm going back to that house again.
See this small picking, they play me, were you? Hey, this small picking don't play me, were you?
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Please, one Miss Chibu Summer sent me to fetch her daughter.
Maro! Maro! I better come back to define you.
Who's your respect again?
My papa did this.
Please, one Miss Chibu Summer sent me to fetch her daughter.
So, who are you?
Well, I'm a friend, and I work at the same hospital where she's treated.
A friend, how?
I beg your pardon? What are you trying to insinuate?
See you. See you, white man. It is I don't recognize you. Yeah? Don't be you be Bori back in the days in school.
I beg your pardon.
Where they spray money anyhow. You Bori the money spender. Where women they front around you anyhow. Yeah? You know, they chop money, they chop them, they chop everything around. Don't be you. Anyway, you're welcome. How you doing now?
Well, if you really know me to that extent, then you should know that I'm a good man.
Of course, I know you.
And I know how to take care of people, especially women.
Echiro, you did hear this one? What is this one, the yarn? Who be this?
Bros, in case you want, you find weakness, I feel follow you go. I like this guy not understand what's in the happen.
Okay, fine.
What's in they worry you? You don't reach you, they follow the soldier, they attack me. Yeah? And I saw it be now. If I tell me say you and Soma don't get backyard arrangement, well, no. Okay. Gotta get something now. Now don't clear for my eye. You don't clear for my eye, small. Okay. But tell Soma that I'm still her husband. That no man has right over her. No man.
Which husband? You don't pay bride price for it. You don't pay anything for your head. Say husband.
What's in the worry you now?
I don't understand.
You don't reach like this. You don't reach to attack me like this. Yeah?
Let's shall we?
Bros, if you ready, more go. That motor be a motor.
Yeah.
Yes, you go inside.
Let's go.
Oh, and they talk, you stay full and they go.
I don't understand. You just say my body they forbid better thing. I mean, you know they see that AC. If I get up, more go. If I know what you let's say leave one. No, they go. Like
Ejiro, are they talking? They go enter AC car?
My baby, how are you? I've missed you. Sit. Hope you're okay. Hope you're good. Hope you've been eating well, right? Frank, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm grateful.
You're welcome. I'll be in my office now. Lunch break is over.
Okay. Ejiro, thank you so much too. I know your brothers don't have health matters. Thank you.
I'm glad you know him. But it's fine.
I love you.
My sister, but who be that guy? Who be that guy we just come out here now? You see in your eye, like the guy is too clean. Or my son follow come. How you take Asha?
I'm not surprised you ask. He's just a friend.
He's just a friend. For no lies. I don't know come here. I mean, why you do me like that? Sadly lie. Okay, it's just a friend. I agree. Oh yeah, now my Bluetooth still open. You pass and come. I just collect.
Pedro, please, I beg you. Just let me be. I'm not strong yet. Let me be.
But this one I never strong yet. That is bare months. My dad give me number. Sure? You don't need to do the toasting. Let me do the rest. For you.
So just now, someone has seen a man that has interest in her. Woman. Just this little issue that we had. She has already attracted attention. Before you know what's up now, she's gone. Another man will take her away from me. Just like that. My fine summer. No. I have to do something before I lose that fine girl. Obedient and hardworking woman. I don't know. I don't want to be enlisted among men that did not value what they have until they lose it. I have value for this one, and I won't lose her to anyone at all, to any man at all. Or Gwefia. This hard-working Igbo woman. No. Summer, how are you? Summer, please answer me now. I said, how are you?
And if I tell you I did not tell you, what will you do with it?
Summer, I'll be in my office now, okay? Call me if you need me.
I will. Thank you.
Summer, I said, how are you? At least talk to me.
Answer you for what? Why will I answer you?
I am sorry.
Very sorry. You're sorry.
Yes.
Very sorry.
Summer, I am sorry for everything that has happened.
Okay. Maru, are you sorry for the abuse? Or you're sorry for abandoning me in this sick place? Or maybe, wait, you're sorry because you've seen a better man playing a better role in my life than you did. No, I want to understand, what exactly are you sorry for?
So I am sorry for everything that has happened between us. Okay, and I'm here to make amends.
You're here to make amends?
Sadly.
My dear, listen to me. All you've spoiled has been fixed by that young man. And he has promised to take care of me and my baby. And that I'm very pleased with. Do you get that? My dear, the medical bill and the food have been taken care of by that same young man. And he has promised to take it off from there. The moment I told him that I was done with the union of you and I.
Eh?
Yes.
You're done? Like, you're done with me?
Of course. What were you thinking? That me, Somma, will go back to your house? You're joking.
Summa, it has not gotten to that. It has not gotten to that, Summa.
It has, oh. My dear, have you forgotten how you used to tell me I should go back to my father's house? That you have not paid my bride price? Have you forgotten, Maru? And this is opportunity. This is the opportunity to do that, and I will not miss it for anything. I will not.
It has not gotten to that, Summa.
It has, oh. It has gotten to that. Please, I am tired. Don't give me those empty promises. Oh. I am so tired with those your empty promises. Don't.
Summa, please, I am sorry. Huh? I am sorry. Please forgive me. See, I promise to amend everything, and I promise
I
you
said
that
you should stop it. Stop it. I don't need your empty promises. I am done with it.
Summa, please now, please don't
touch me.
I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not having you anymore. Let me love from over there. This is long time coming.
He came to say sorry. Can you imagine?
Well, I can't imagine anything. But maybe truly he is. He's still your husband, you know.
You're serious? Are you the one saying this? Come on, you and I know the reason why he's doing all those things. He's doing it to get me back. And once that is done, he'll return to his old ways.
But of course, you can't possibly be mad at him forever. He's still your husband. I guess you should go back to your home and fix things and make things right.
I wish I could. I'm just considering what will become of my baby.
So, what do you intend to do now?
I just need an apartment. I need to get my life back. But I don't know where to go. I don't know how to start.
It's okay. I'll see what I can do about that. But for now, you need some rest.
Are you serious? Hey, thank you very much. You're such a good man.
Hey, don't mention.
Thank you.
Finish me, for real?
Keep quiet here. Hi! Omote! Fine girl! See you now. One son touch you like this, your body will be shy. She's the best sister in the whole world. Omote! Beautiful girl. See my sister. Oh. Hey. Shh. No, they look at me like that.
Shoe?
No, they look. No. Oh, and they talk. He just say, I am.
Sister, welcome.
See fine people. Now Rihanna be this.
How you take no?
No. Now making him lounge.
Hey, oh baby, see how she dey shine.
My sister makes sense there.
I better talk wetin make you dey stop me. All this hailing no be ordinary. Wetin happen?
See Ejiro, hunger don't finish your brother here.
I talk am. All this hailing no be ordinary. Sure? I talk am. Ma give you which food? How?
Beg now. Make you just enter kitchen and arrange one or two things. I know say you buy some things.
You not get wife? Shebi you get wife? Oh, okay. Your wife dey hospital. But you get girlfriend? She knows sabi cook.
Ejiro, why they talk like this now? You won't make I carry empty pocket go see my girlfriend? I still be your brother. Why they do like this now?
Ma carry another man money give you. Shebi you said that yellow bobo yesterday. You see that guy? That guy fresh die. And the money where that guy fresh me, I say fresh all these things. So I not feel happy with another man money. Do you understand, so?
But you safe, get as they behave. Oh. So if you follow they push my wife, make it follow another man.
Who be your wife? You marry her? You pay him bride price?
I think say he did my side.
Not be born she born for you. You say I did your side. Which side? Bros, as I did like this now, I did the winning party. If in election you don't fit, see. Okay, Mia.
Bros, me una no verse, I beg, Make I talk to my sister. Ejiro, I beg. If you buy something, may you give me a take home belly.
Yeah, I not get power for you.
Arrange something, I
Arrange
know chop
fire.
Now. Ejiro, I beg, go enter kitchen, I beg, I beg you.
Okay.
Summer, this is where I live. I want it to be okay for you and your daughter.
Did you just say okay? Mother, okay. Your home is so beautiful. Frank, how can I repay you back for everything?
No, it's okay. I need to take you and your daughter to settle in. My shift begins in an hour. Let's go, please.
Thank you. God bless you, friend.
It's okay. Don't mention. Please, please, please.
See this thief.
What's happened?
They go punish you there.
Go punish you. Edro.
What's it?
Edro. Because of all means, never make you stop. See, and you know go need fucking nap to chop better slap now. What you know what you say?
Let's not be so mal. When you thief and meet your pot, I not be so mal. You go slack me. Bros, forget that you don't fit try.
See, I don't feel down.
I say you don't fit do am.
Edro. Sit down well, oh. Sit down well, oh. I know why they tell you. You know, from your husband house, come they drag me for your papa.
My papa house I did.
They drag me with me.
My papa house I did.
Come they drag.
Madam, bring now. Say person blood dey hot.
True? Wetin happen?
This is small now. I be no dey see am.
Dey see am now.
If na summer na him go just package am, the thing go full belle.
Na true you talk but you know say Alevo don pass our own now. God don bless her. You see her husband. Hey! He bobo fine and he get plenty money. That girl every year don steal for her o. I dey pray make God give me my own o.
Na him be say you no go come meet your husband for this area wey we dey.
Come here. If na you go come back. Suffer no dey tire you.
Oh, you dey do say you wan find husband wey go do. You fit endure.
Why I no go endure?
You no fit.
I go fit.
You no fit.
Hey, that girl sha, she dey lucky o.
So, I just came to know exactly what is happening. Because I don't like rumor. I like fact. And I believe that you're a young man, you're matured enough to tell me the truth. So what is the relationship between you and Soma?
Friends.
Friends?
Yeah, friends.
Do you have any intention of marrying her?
Well, I can't tell for now.
Then why are you guys living together since you can't tell?
I don't want you an explanation. So what are you up to?
Rumor has it that you guys are getting married. And you've been taking her out for shopping and every other place.
Whoa. Well, thank God you said rumor. But I only took her for shopping with her daughter. Don't you think she deserves much better than just shopping? And let me tell you, Summer is a woman and she needs to be treated nicely.
Do you mean you guys are not living together?
I didn't say that. She lives in my house. You know what? I'm very busy, okay?
Can I talk to her? Can I call her?
I'm not stopping you. You have a phone, call her.
No, wait. Let me call her.
To copy the tune, press
1. She's not picking her call.
Well, I'm sorry. There is nothing I can do for now. Excuse me.
You see? You're a very wicked man. You can't leave somebody's wife alone. There are many ladies in the town. And your eyes is on my wife. Wicked soul. Don't worry. I know what to do for you.
I'm not having you anymore. Let me love from over there. This is long time coming. This is so hard. It hurts, but it's okay. To live and love, better than to love and die. This is so hard. It hurts, but it's okay. To live and love, better than to love and die. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not having you anymore. Let me love from over there. This is long time coming. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not having you anymore. Let me love from over there. This is long time coming. This is so hard. It hurts, but it's okay. To live and love, better than to love and die. This is so hard. It hurts, but it's okay. To live and love, better than to love and die. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not having you anymore. Let me love from over there. This is long time coming. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not having you anymore. Let me love from over there. This is long time coming.
This is a dream, oh. Hey. You be like say God won't show me something so. Hey, now work this man, they work my wife, oh. Hey. My son. No, no go agree. This one no go happen, no. Ijo. Hey. Joe. You don't know.
I'll win you this time. Warning card. Who is that? Don't cheat. Who is that? Who is that? What? There you go. There you go. How dare you? You barge into my compound like that. So you have the gut to ask me, how dare me? Eh? Because you think you have money, you can go ahead and sleep with everything on the skirt. Are you mad? Are you sick in the head? How dare you barge into my compound and accuse me of sleeping with your wife? Now listen, Mr. Man. If you don't leave my compound this minute, I'll do something that you need to do. I'm going to show you how mad people behave now. Are you crazy? Are you sick? Are you sick in the head? Are you mad?
You met your man married.
Are you mad? Sorry. My friend, leave my house.
No,
Leave. You want some more? You want some more? You see more of me. You see more of me. You want? No. You see more of me. No, you see more of me. You see more of me. You see more of me.
Useless man.
Get out.
Thank you very much, my dear. Useless man. You think you're some man?
You are a disgrace to a man. You see more of me.
Look at you.
Wait, let me get my gun.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Maro, you're not ashamed of yourself. Maro, you're not ashamed of yourself. He's paining you because I'm enjoying. He's paining you.
You're on.
I am enjoying.
So you're in another man's house and they are using you anyhow. Somebody's wife for that matter. You okay, don't worry. I'll be back. Don't worry. Hey! Oh, I'll be back.
Don't try me this afternoon. Don't try me. Ross, they well.
You're not there mate again, eh?
They well.
You're not there mate again, eh?
I go give you one.
Hey, you want to
they
try me?
well.
You want to try me?
No. Don't try me this afternoon. Ross, I will give you one. I go.
You don't do.
Don't try me.
Una self, una no get shame. We don't want single home training.
No be him first throw punch. Ask him. Now him first throw punch.
Ask who? Yeah?
And because I call him wife and after he tell me what you see for dream.
See, if you ever open your mouth and call my wife and say, where? What's now? If you see what I do you.
No try me, oh. No be woman they follow another man because of money. Eh? No be woman they follow another man.
You say if you don't do, you want single sense, you know if you get one single one, you don't get. Maybe you want fight.
It's gonna be that one. It's gonna be that one. Hey, Jiro, I don't tell you for this art. Sit down and make your picture fine. Oh. I know why they tell you. Sit down. Come on here. Yeah, look, see my slippers. This I don't forget. It's not don't forget. Eh? It's not. This I don't forget. Is it? Bros, this I don't really. Bros, no.
the idiot be this? You just enter my cabal. We wanna finish him now.
I beg your pardon?
Olorogu!
No.
Hey, Oga himself!
Senior man!
Hey!
Wait. Bro, so... No verse, senior man. So, now you this bastard say me we beat up?
What did happen? Eh? When I do the job now? Meaning?
Maru! You call us, we come beat our Oga.
What is the woman now? You gonna finish this thing now?
No.
Wait.
Enough. Don't do. That one go reset in brain small. Next time, we dey watch who they play with. Guys, may we go buy on a beer.
Right. Thank himself. Senior man. He body himself.
This person get sense so. They don't get sense so at all.
Next time, no time makes sense.
She seemed retine, on a meritine, avare of wovu,
What is it?
Please.
What is
please
it?
Don't go, please.
I should not go.
I beg you, please. I beg.
Maru,
Eh?
I should not go.
I beg I dey beg you now.
Eh.
You know, say now you sweet pass for this whole life.
Hey. Me, the stupid summer.
How you take this stupid?
No,
now?
the useless summer.
Summer go dey sweet anyhow.
Eh. No be you be hot Maru where girls they pursue up and down.
No, yes. I know say na Satan.
Eh.
Na Satan because of
Marabel, leave me mad they go.
I beg.
Leave me mad they go. I go break your nose. Now my turn now no. Mara go. You see this your nose? I go break am. You go one side. Leave me mad they go. Who be baby? Really?
Baby.
So baby dey your mouth.
Plenty.
Baby dey your mouth.
Plenty of it. Plenty. I beg.
Mara, leave me mad they go.
I beg. Eh?
Oh Jesus.
I beg now. I beg. As a Enugu State. I beg. Now don't stop that.
stay clear.
I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not having you anymore. Let me love from over there. This is long time coming. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not having you anymore. Let me love from over there. This is long time coming.
Summer! Summer!
Yes.
Where are you? Guess what?
I should guess.
Just guess.
Okay, I can't guess what.
Okay, fine. I have a surprise for you.
Really?
A big surprise.
Really?
Close your eyes. No, don't cheat. Close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed. I'm waiting.
Ta-da!
Hello, Rumi. Shut up, me, baby girl. Shut up. My love. Hey. Oh my God, Sharon, you look good. You look good. You look so good. Where have you been? Come here. I missed you there. I missed you too. Sharon. Wait a minute.
What is it?
Sharon, please. Is this your fiancé?
Yes, he is. And I've been in the US all this while, so what hasn't happened to you? No, you're not kidding.
Come on, kiddo, look at her. She's looking so big.
I didn't recognize her, you know.
I missed you.
I missed you. Oh my darling.
Hey. Hello, guys. Not with the pleasantries, okay? You take our inside. Let me get the words.
Okay. I've got just for you.
That's my
Fresh yakiji.
My baby is
Fresh yakiji.
Come on, baby. Oh my goodness, Sharon.
Shalom. What are you doing here? Wait. What did you do here?
I live here. The hospital I work as an admin owns this place.
You must have met Summer then.
Yes, I have. With her disfigured face and body.
Shalom, I regret all my actions. I am sorry for all I did. I know you'll be very disappointed at me. I am not just proud of what I did. You understand? But to no being go make him go begin for another man now. Eh? You remember Frank money now?
Frank is my boss. His father owns the clinic. So whatever Frank and Soma are doing is none of your business. It's also none of my business. Get that?
Shalom, I am sorry of what I did. Yeah, please help me. I be your personal. You know how we used to do when we were small.
Yes, I do remember how you beat up bullies and end up being a bully. Look at what you did to my friend. Huh?
Shalom, see, please help me beg her. I'm a changed person now. Please, I am not just proud of what I did. I am sorry. Tell her that I am sorry of what I did.
Well, you don't have to beg me. It's left for her to decide. Not me. I don't have a say in that, please.
I am a changed man now. I attended like 4 interviews today. Yes, true. And I've called her mother on the phone, even though she shouted on me. But I promise I'm going to marry her properly.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I beg you, don't do the beg. I have something in the house. Go chop.
I don't want chop. I don't want chop.
Okay, I can't chop. I don't say you like food. I don't want chop. I don't want chop.
That food not be my problem. Not summer. Ejiro, I see Summer today. Summer don't find finish. Even my daughter. My daughter and the glitter like wetin I no know. 2 of them don't find,
Why they no follow you come now?
They will follow me very soon. They will come. But she said make I come marry her as their tradition demands.
Hey, who want to do the marriage? You? If they want to, now your eye.
Oh, I forget I not tell you. Sorry, no verse. No verse for me. I'm not telling you I don't get one for felicitation.
I'm going to shift from not here.
Let me joke, this one expensive joke. For real, my salary now is 60k per month. I did you for felicitation.
You know the joke now?
I'm not a joke.
Hey!
Joke, that's serious. I'm very, very serious.
Ogene do. Oh yeah. Ogene do. Ogene do. Oh, mommy play before we play.
I'm not they play. I'm serious. My salary is 60k. 60k. Then I tell you, say I know I don't tell you. I don't verse. 60k. Very soon you go see them now.
Maro.
Hey, baby.
Big boy doing big things.
You understand?
You mean he got a new job?
Yeah, he got a job at one fuel station like that.
Wow, that's nice. I think he's working towards the change.
Yeah, of course he is. Seriously, babe. Let me gist you what happened.
What?
Ejiro told me that he beat up Tega because Tega called me a cop.
That's the Maro I know. That's the guy I know for real.
But I don't want to go back to that house. It brings me bad memories.
Why? I thought you said you're still in love with him and you've given him condition to win you back.
I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about the house, the compound, the whole drama that happened in there. I can't deal with it.
I understand now. I understand. But I think you should talk to him. He should rent his own share and get you guys another apartment. Come on, it's time to make a change in your marriage.
I'll do that. I'll talk to him.
Wow. He's just learning his lessons through the hard way. You know, all these years, I keep feeling it's my fault that this whole thing happened. I'm feeling bad.
No. Babes, don't feel that way. Look, it's not your fault. Seriously, I was there all this while because I still love him. Okay? And I understand that joblessness and frustration can contribute to that. So cheer up, it's not your fault. I understand. Okay?
It's very nice you choose forgiveness, you know, because me, I doubt I'll do that.
I trust you. I trust you.
Well, I'm glad you're taking up marriage. You're leading.
So.
My girl is leading.
Of course, I gave him an assignment for life. He has to make it up to me.
That's the leading girl.
He has to. I'm here to enjoy right now.
He will make it up to you.
No, he has no option.
He will. Summer.
Yes.
You know my sister I told you about that followed her husband to the US?
Yes, I remember her.
I would like someone to manage the supermarket and pay me 1 million naira for 1 year. Then after the supermarket will belong to him or her. I don't know if you will be interested.
Wait, let me get this. You mean if I can manage the supermarket and pay 1 million naira after a year, automatically the supermarket belongs to me.
Exactly.
Yes, of course. I'm interested.
Oh, that's good to hear. I'm glad you accepted.
Hey, Sharon. Hey. My girl. Izienyi Kanwane. I know you don't understand. It means a friend that is greater than a relation.
Come on, listen. You praise me too much. You better stop.
Why would I praise you? Thank you so much.
Oh, come on. See, the only thing you owe me is a degree. I want you to go back to school. Please. Soma, do it for me.
Okay, I will. I promise.
Oh my God, that's my girl. Now, this is good. I love it. Please. And I trust you so much. I know you will do well.
Yes,
I know. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't praise me. You do that a lot. Stop.
Wife, you're welcome.
Thank you, darling.
Daddy, I missed you.
Yeah, my angel. I missed you too.
Mario, how are you?
I did fine. Welcome, eh? Bro.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
How you doing?
Fine.
Thank you very much.
Let me help you with this one.
No, let me.
Come on, let's go inside so I can fix something for you to eat.
Yes. I wish I can. I have a business appointment to catch up with, but my fiancé will stay.
Don't worry, I'm here to help her settle in and unpack.
It's okay. I gotta go.
All right, darling.
All right, my brother. Thank you so much. Okay.
Uncle, bye.
Bye.
Bye, dear. Thank you very much for everything.
Don't mention it. My dear, God will reward him for me.
Amen, oh, my husband. But I just pray that I can pay it back in a year time.
You know, with God, all things are possible.
Yes, I believe so too.
Sweetheart, we're going to go for our wedding shopping tomorrow.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
But where did you get the money from?
Anyways, from the company I'm working for now. They paid me up front, like 2 months' salary. So I can start up a life and get serious with my job.
Are you serious? I'm happy. I'm seriously happy. Thank God. I'm happy for you, baby.
Yes.
I'm happy.
And by next week, we will be going to Enugu to collect the marriage list.
Say that again.
Exactly what you heard.
My home, Enugu.
Yes.
My house.
Thank
you so much.
You're welcome.
I love you.
I love you too. I mean, don't depress me that. It is sweet to you.
Sure. My brother, I don't want to believe this thing. See this thing. Wait. So after all these things where you don't buy now, go give some family. Bros. Now let somebody will give us.
Before.
No now. I think maybe they go add in sisters join, like 3 of his sisters. Ole Soma.
This one they talk sisters. Never even talk of one. They carry plenty sisters hand join.
Chai! Bros, these people no get joy. 2 Hausa goats. 1 full load of yam. I don't understand. You go do this one?
I go do it now because I love my wife. I go do them.
Well done, love. Happy loving.
Why I no go do them? I love my wife now.
Huh? Wait. This list now for only kinsmen, no? Not be family list with this way.
I love my wife, so I will do it.
You try, Sha. At least the girl try for you.
Mr. Frank, I just want to thank you. Words cannot express how I'm feeling right now. I just want to thank you for helping me out of my silly attitude. I was so stupid then.
It's okay, my friend. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I am happy when you changed minds.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And my dear, I thank you so much. I thank God for bringing you to us. You're such a nice person.
Yes.
May God bless you.
You're welcome, Mario. And consider it as a payback for fighting for the fatherless kids while we're growing up. God bless you to good one and yourself despite the fuck-ups.
I beg you don't do. Okay? Amaro, when you're sure of the date for the wedding, invite us.
Yes.
Wow. We need to storm Enugu for you.
Girl, we're gonna pen it out, right?
Don't spoil things. It's okay, I will, okay? We'll take our leave now. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Frank. Thank you so much.
Amen. You see,
My girl.
Alright, darling. Mario, take care of her.
You forever. Our retine, wado. Our retine, wado. Maro retine, wado. Yejiro retine, wado. Tega retine, wado. Chisimdi retine, wado. Ono meretine, wado. Avare ovovu, wado. As we take start, no things say we go end up.